Ooh, good morning. Today is day 2 of my first full week of working for myself. I am about to head to the bank now because I need to open up an account for a business that I am working on. I don't know how y'all's weather is where y'all live, but ours is finally breaking. It was 60 degrees yesterday, but that's Ohio for you. Like, we've had it before where it was like 50 in the daytime, and then by the nighttime, it was like snowing. It was sleet. Like, I was like, how do we get all the weather in one day? Like, that's not even a joke for us. That really happens. Just like yesterday, it was 60. Today, it's still a little bit warmer. I think it's gonna stay in like the 30s, 40s. But we are having like rain and stuff. But I'm gonna stop talking about the weather. Anyways, I'm about to head to the bank because I need to open up an account for a business that I am starting. I can't wait to tell you guys more about it, but I don't want to tell too much until it's like time, you know what I'm saying? So, especially because I don't want to jinx it either. But that's what's popping today. I'm a little hyped right now because I just drank coffee. I was up super late last night. I don't even stay up late. Like, I'm the type of person, I'm in bed by 9:30, 10 o'clock. By 7 in the evening, I'm looking at the clock like, when is it a respectable time for me to go to bed? Like, I'm sleepy. Everybody knows this about me too, because everybody love to hit me up after 7, and your girl is asleep. Your girl is asleep. I'm a little tired, but I have my coffee. I'll get through. I'll take a nap because I work for myself, so I can make my own schedule. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I feel like I can breathe. Like, I still feel a little bit of anxiety because I just don't like the unknown. Like, I don't like feeling like I'm not truly in control, and everything's really on me now, so I guess I technically am more in control. But at the same time, it's like I've never been just dependent upon, well, I have, but not as a real adult. I've never been just dependent upon myself to get it like this. Anyways, I'm about to go, just pulled up to Easton, about to go find Andrea because we have a 6:30 reservation. And I'm here early because I thought we were gonna meet at 6, but I guess the reservation didn't have any openings till like 6:30, so it made me on time. I gotta get my life together with that. I'm always like, I'm good. If you tell me a time, just know I'm gonna be there a good 10 minutes late. 10:15. There goes my phone. I am in several group chats and it's getting overwhelming. Now I just gotta remember where Bonvi is. Oh yes. I mean, not the whole thing.
I'm glad I put a little bit of makeup on because, listen.
You're pretty regardless. Plus, this camera's awesome.
Thank you. I love that camera.
Thanks. So this is Andrea, guys.
Hi. How you too?
Oh, I'll let you see yourself.
I know, right? You're just like holding it hostage to yourself.
My
Hi,
bad.
you too?
I haven't seen her in so long. Oh my gosh, the lighting, this camera's awesome. Cause look, like, it's so dark in here.
And it shows, I look great.
Exactly, right? This camera is awesome. I'm about to start using it as my main camera. This is my pasta carbonara. It is so good looking. What do you have?
This is the Cajun pasta, the Cajun shrimp pasta.
Don't Snapchat and try to talk. I'm like over there. No, that was from the opposite direction. I looked at it, I was like, that don't look familiar. I was like, I don't remember seeing pink.
Uh-oh, she was about to get killed.
Right.
Her tripod.
Trying to Snapchat and do directions for myself.
Take a picture of that.
What?
This little fountain over here. I like it when
Yeah.
they had it blue.
Oh yeah, don't they do it like during Christmas time?
This is Eastern Town Center, the bougie side. Do you want me to take any pictures of you there?
Nah, it's too dark. I mean, I could use the flash, but I'm just cold.
Yes, it's very cold out tonight.
Super cold.
It got way colder than it was earlier today, but you know, it's all good.
Yeah, at least it's not snowing.
Yeah. Try not to get hit by a car watching the camera. Ooh, I want those boots. Those are bad. I want to model one time in my life.
I have to get used to like having somebody take pictures of me.
Yeah.
I get awkward when somebody takes a picture of me, but I'm okay when I do it myself.
Whatever, you're like the black Kim Kardashian. Get out of here.
I take them myself.
Well, yeah, that's true. Maybe you should.
You tried to take pictures of me before.
It is very difficult to get you together.
Yes.
But it's okay, well, because once you get in your element, you're good.
I might do a selfie book once I have a little more clout.
You should do a selfie book. I think that would be a fantastic
They would surprise no one.
Oh.
I'd drop the book, everybody would be like, yep, sounds about right.
The Sheba book.
Sheba selfies.
Are you that way?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Okay. I'm like
Here's
right here.
Okay, I'll meet you.
Front. Alright, I'll meet you over here.
Alright.
Oh, here goes your little seasoning.
That's not it.
Lime. Well, that's their version.
It's not the same. I need tahini.
I have it.
My aunt has like 50 million tahini.
Really?
She gave me 2, that's how I had it.
Herbes de Provence.
Ooh, toasted coconut pancake mix. I don't even know what I want, but I want to buy things.
See, the girl that did my facial told me to get this hyaluronic acid. And this is the supplement kind.
Is it good for your skin?
Yeah, it's supposed to be really, really good for your skin. Do you have oily skin?
I have combination, like I'm oily around here, but
Dry on the other side. Yeah, me too.
Ooh, my dad told me about a pizza that he got here with cauliflower, like the cauliflower crust. It was frozen.
I just made some vegan cauliflower street tacos last night.
Ooh,
They were really, really good.
There it is, cauliflower crust.
Ooh.
But I mean, you can get actual pizza like that. He bought like a couple of them. I might get one. Cause like, he likes mod, but he doesn't want to use all the carbs from the crust, my dad.
Oh.
So he gets these, and then he'll put his own toppings on it.
Okay.
I like that they have just the crust, so you can do your own toppings like from scratch if you want to.
Yeah.
Oh, this. This I just had yesterday. It really tasted like a maple glazed donut. I'm giving them so much promotion.
They should be paying you.
They should.
Fine.
Oh, you're fine. I think I had this one when I was at, never mind, that wasn't the one I had. These are so good.
You want one, don't you?
How much is it per bar? I feel like it's $1.99, so 2. What's my birthday cake looking like? Definitely want my maples though. The maple donut really tastes like a maple donut. I think I'm good. I think I'm good.
How much sugar does it have in it?
It's not a lot. 1 gram of sugar. And
Monosaturated fat and polyunsaturated fat.
oh well.
20 grams of
20 grams of protein. So I lost 4 pounds in a day. I ate one of those bars.
You only ate 1 bar every
No,
day.
I ate one yesterday along with popcorn, but I ate one yesterday. I literally got on the scale. I lost 4 pounds. I don't understand how. Because my gym routine is the same. I've been on the same scale too.
Well,
But as long as it's lying to me in the right direction.
exactly.
So technically I lost like 7 pounds this week. 15 more to go. It's only 1 gram of the polysaturated fat.
That's probably where the flavor comes from.
You know, you gotta have a little flavor.
Right.
Oh.
Alright, YouTubers.
Peace
Signing
out.
off.
Hi, Ange. Hi, it's been so long.
See you later, guys. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Camera on.
What camera?
Mine. Okay guys, so I just got back from the gym and I'm about to do my wash day. It is time to wash my hair. That takes all day long.
Tell them about your shampoo.
Yes, mother. Alright, you guys, so this is my fenugreek shampoo. Is this what it is, Mom?
Yep.
Yeah. It's a bunch of natural stuff. My mom made it. She said it'll make my hair grow, so I'm about to use that. And then, what's the conditioner made of again?
It's got honey. It's got a lot of just good stuff in it.
So it's got like honey and a bunch of good stuff per my mother.
Yeah, I'll tell you about it later. I can't remember everything. I wrote it down.
Okay.
Honey, coconut milk.
Yeah. And then this is some rice water, and we're going to use that afterwards for a rinse. It does not smell good, but it does make your hair super small. Super soft. What?
You talking about what you're gonna rinse your?
Yeah, it's rice water, right?
Yeah, we let it ferment. You only let it ferment for like no more than a day. But that one kind of went like 2 days.
You can't give them all of this if you can't be seen at this moment.
Yeah, I can't be seen like this. Give me a minute. Beauty takes time.
Oh my god, so I just put this rice water in my hair. This stuff stinks so bad. I have to leave it in my hair for like 20-30 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It smelled worse. My mom's made it more potent one before, but god. Ugh. It just, oh my god, this better work. Okay guys, so I know I look crazy right now, but I just finally finished taking out my braids and putting my hair in a section so I can blow dry. What's up guys? So it's Saturday and I'm out with Verity. We are at First Watch, about to eat. What's up? Hey! Turn the camera off. I love it. It makes everyone look good no matter what's going on. I like not that something's going on for you. We about to eat. I'm so excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. I usually get the trifecta, but what is that? I want to switch it up. It's like the waffle, sausage, and eggs. That's so basic. I want to try something else. So I'm wearing a sweatband. It makes me look bulky in the gym, but it makes me look super skinny when I take it off. So there's that. I know they really don't do anything for you for real besides dehydrate you, but it makes me feel better, okay? It makes me feel better. Guys, so today I'm just gonna be working on getting rid of old clothes and just like stuff I don't use or wear anymore because I need to make more space in my drawers, that's for sure. My closet's not that big down here, so I have to really utilize my drawer space, and well, I'm maxed out. And I know there's so much stuff in there that I don't use that I've had for years, and just I need to get rid of it. Like, it's time to go. It's 2018, it's time for new stuff, and I need to know what new stuff I need, because I still wear like the same amount of clothes, but I feel like I have like this overwhelming amount of clothes, but it's stuff I don't wear. Like, it don't make no sense. So I'm gonna get rid of that stuff today. That's the goal.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, Mom's on.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Mom's making zucchini chips.
I'm making you some zucchini chips in like 2 seconds because I'm also multitasking watching my grandson. Here you go. Slice up your zucchini with a, what's that thing called?
Vegetable thingy.
You know what I'm talking about, y'all. That thing you slice. Do not.
Oh, mandolin?
Mandolin. Do not use your hand. Use the mandolin thing because you will slice your finger. Okay. Leave your zucchini chips out to dry unless you have a dehydrator, which I don't. Leave them out to dry. I flipped them over. Simply, all I did was, this is my second batch of the day, lightly sprayed them. Boop, that's it. Then, I like whatever seasoning you like. I'm at the Brock said Jacob, no. Then garlic powder. I don't like a lot of salt. Garlic powder. Just, and I don't like to smell like garlic, so not too much. Onion powder. Boom. Just a little bit. Yeah, I gotta make noise when I do it. And And then just because I do this on everything, onion, Italian seasonings. Your pop's gonna love these. And last time I used shredded sharp cheese, but this time we're gonna do Parmesan cheese. I just took it out the refrigerator. This is to make it quick for your video, but you can use any cheese you want to. Okay, boom. That is it. I had this out because when I made it earlier, I did it with Parmesan. Stick it in your oven, and don't walk away like I did.
Nope.
Stick it in your oven, 350. Oh, this is already hot, but it went off. I don't know why.
Oh, I hit end on the timer.
Thank you, Sheila.
It was for my eggs.
All right, 350. And start it with like 9 minutes. It'll get up there. My love.
And that is how you make zucchini chips on the go.